Hey, chat family. I just wanted to come in with this conversation. Be aware. Be aware of who you are. There's a lot of people who will come against you. They will buck under the pressure. They will be upset because of your peace, because of your joy, because of your resiliency, because of your conviction, because they can't break you. There are people who are evil. Every single part of them is evil. Be aware of that. But what's most important is that you got to know yourself and never let another person stop you from being yourself. You've tuned into the Marlene Saunders show where we have real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. If it's your first time here, subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next one.